Hello traders, welcome to the daily market review. This is David and we're going to be analyzing Euro and Swiss franc. So what we have noticed in the market that price had created the peak formation high right over here, and you can see that pretty much on the RSI the price created the higher high and then the lower low. On the price it created higher high and then a higher high again. So that gave us a peak formation high. As you can see, this was a peak formation low, and this was a peak formation high. I haven't drawn the levels here, but this was a peak formation low. You can see the RSI is pretty low here, and then the 1 and then level 2 consolidation. But currently we are in the bearish structure. So if you notice, you're going to see that after the peak formation high, we had a divergence and then a major impulse, just one candle shifting the whole consolidation. This was the last stop hunt before the drop. Okay, after that you can notice that level 1 started to consolidate and the price started to shift lower and lower, okay, giving us the second level and then a 3 major push, finishing off the level the first leg of a W formation. And then the price shifted and the price came back to the same point, failed to reject, came back again. You can see that the divergence is still holding and the price is doing a stop hunt lower. Okay, and then finally the impulse started and then the price shifted again, but then respecting this area. In a technical form you can call it as a support, but we can see that there's a divergence also. So what we're noticing is a major impulse, and currently we are going long. We are anticipating in the stop hunt, and the stop hunt happened last week on Friday before the market closed. So we participated in that entry right about here. And then we're anticipating the market to go about till here. This is the first, this would be the second point, this would be the third, this would be the fourth, and this would be the fifth. So we're going to be keeping an eye on all the levels, but so far currently we're going to be looking at the market, how it reacts to these levels. But currently we are at the peak formation low, so there's a lot of chances that we might expect a level 1 about here and a level 2 could be here. Okay, all right, so this is just a scenario, guys. This is not the exact how the market's going to move, but this is just a scenario how it might move. But the pattern might be shorter and it might reject off of that level if the levels are created within this level. But most likely I believe the market's going to push a little bit higher because of the stop hunt that's been done for a few days. It's been done for, this was the first day, day 1, and day 3. And the 4 and the 5th. Yep, this was the last day. So it took 5 days of continuous stop hunt followed by the first leg. So as the RSI, you can see it was the lowest low, and this was the lowest low also, but then the price created lower lows. But on the RSI, the price created higher highs, as you can see in the bottom. Let me show you guys right up here. Okay, the price basically created higher highs, and then the price created lower lows here. So it kept creating divergence, and you can see that there's more buyers in the market. All it's doing is a stop hunt, and then finally today you can see there's a major impulse. These candles are small and has a lot of wicks to it, but these are the stop hunts. These are the stop hunt. These are the stop hunt. These are the stop hunts. Finally, we're seeing some impulse, but we are expecting the impulse to go at least toward this place. It would give us a clear indication that our trade would go in our favor, but we'll see how it plays out. But overall, it's looking good so far, but we are anticipating about, currently we are in 20 pips in profit, but we are expecting about 175 pips, give or take. We're only risking about, let's see what's the risk reward would be. The risk reward would be about 11.18. So we are risking about 1%, and we are aiming to close about 11%, some 11.18% overall. But at the moment, we're about 1.2% in profit. So it's pretty good so far, but we'll see how it goes. Other than that, that's it for tonight on Euro CHF. Until then, until next pair, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.